Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to fix Instagram can't add story to highlight issue on your device. I'll be showing you different method on how to fix it. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So the first reason might be your internet connection. In case you don't have a stable internet connection, then that might be one of the reasons why you're not able to add story to your highlight. So make sure to check your internet connection, and after that try updating your application to the latest version. So after that, if you're still unable to add story to your highlight, then next you can simply save your story to archive, and after that you can add any past story into your highlight. In order to do that, open your Instagram application, and once you open up, next tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So then on the other page you will be directed into profile page, and then tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. Next tap on settings. Next page you have a multiple option, so then tap on privacy, and after that tap on story, which is right in between. After you tap on story, on the other page you have all the detail, and then swipe down and look for saving. So under saving, you'll have to tap on save story to archive. Just tap on the button which is right at the corner, and after that all your story will be saved on archive. So after that you'll be able to add any past story to your highlight. After making changes, if you're still facing similar problem, then next what you can do is just simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your Instagram application and then tap on app info. So after that tap on storage. You'll have to tap on clear cache. So after clearing your cache, if you're still unable, then tap on clear data. All your information along with the chat history will be deleted. So then you'll have to log in once again, but then there are slight chances that you might not be able to fix it. So what you have to do next is that, so then long press on your Instagram application and then tap on app info. Now instead of storage, you'll have to tap on mobile data right on top. So then over here you'll have to make sure it is Wi-Fi and data and not just Wi-Fi or just data. So after that you might be able to fix it, but then there are slight chances that this might not be able to fix the issue. So what you have to do next is that restart your device, as sometimes it might be an issue with the device and not with the application. So then restarting your device might actually work, but then as usual there are slight chances that this might not be able to fix your issue. So the last option what you can do is you can simply uninstall your Instagram application. After that you'll have to reinstall your application once again. So after you reinstall your application, that might be able to solve your problem. And those were the few methods on how you can solve Instagram cannot add story to highlight issue on your device. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.